want to change the way we look at self-healing. On my personal journey, I had the great privilege and honor to be introduced to this ancient form of healing called Qigong. And on this beautiful journey, I had so many challenges. But yet still, through all the challenges, I was able to overcome them because of the resilience I was able to acquire through my self-healing journey with Qigong. Qigong, which means energy, cultivation, Qi, energy, Gong, cultivation of that energy. We are able to utilize our own energy to heal ourselves. What an amazing thing. And alternative healing, alternative care, it is the foundation of all modern medicine. Now, when we speak of alternative healing, we're talking about herbalism, holistic health, right? Natural healing, Tai Chi, acupuncture, Qigong. We're talking about the things our ancestors used to heal through nature, natural ways. And we must learn those ways in order to heal ourselves. In my self-healing journey, I've had failures and triumphs. And this is what I want to share with you. I want to make self-healing the new normal. This is possible. Because in this society, we are learning how to cultivate the energies within us. We're tapping into our gifts. We are remembering who we really are and the true capabilities that we have, such as healing ourselves, such as acquiring health naturally. Join me on my journey learning Qigong and teaching others how to heal themselves naturally using modalities such as Qigong. I hope that you can also tap into your capabilities and find your path on your healing journey. Stay powerful and as beautiful as you are. I want to change the way we look at self-healing. On my personal journey, I had the great privilege and honor to be introduced to this ancient form of healing called Qigong. And on this